Kathy has a garden. She plants flowers. There are roses, sunflowers, and tulips. Kathy's favorite flowers are tulips. She plants fruit. There is an apple tree. There is an orange tree. There is also an avocado tree. Kathy's favorite fruit is an apple. She plants trees that will end up being short. She plants trees that end up being tall. She plants bushes too. She wants a very colorful garden. There is a water fountain in the center of the garden. There are fishes swimming inside. There are over 50 of them. Sometimes Kathy lies down on the grass. She feels at peace in her garden.